Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recover draft trades posts. So let's consider that you archived a post and you don't know where you can find that post to repost it again. So let's go into our trades and I'm about to show you how you can recover it. So right here what you're going to do is to go into your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on it. There will be your profile picture. Alright, so after that what I want to do is to go into this two lines on the top of your profile picture on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here what I want to do is to go into the the archived. Alright, so it's here, archive, tap on it, and you will have the all the posts that you have dropped or archived right here. And also, as you know guys, if you have deleted a post on trades, you will not be allowed to recover it, because as we all know that's impossible. So yeah, and also as a bonus, if you want to find where are the posts that you have saved, you will find them right here. And also the posts that you have liked, they will be right here. Alright, so once you tap on them you will see just like this. So I didn't archived any post and I didn't liked any post, and yeah, that's why it looks empty right here. So as a reminder, if you delete a post on trades, you will not be able to recover it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.